Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today I just want to do a super quick update on Rollercoin. It's something that occurred to me yesterday and I just wanted to share with you today. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so I am not going to keep you very long, so don't worry. Obviously, if you can watch the whole video, absolutely brilliant. Basically, it's something that occurred to me after I did the video yesterday, and I just wanted to talk about it. Basically, if we go into here, so this is what we were looking at yesterday, at the beginning of yesterday's video. Now, I made the point of that these two coins were put onto Rollercoin, and it was a bit of a competition, but I also mentioned that you could mine it. Now, Chris Glennon pointed out to me that you can't mine it. So I wanted to go through this again and then just give you a point of view that I could be completely wrong, and I might not have all the facts. Rollercoin might be simply looking to do something else in the future. But anyway, let's look at this. So meme coin battle says here, get ready to rumble rollers. Rollercoin is thrilled to announce the SHIB and Pepe coins are now here available for deposit. To make a proper introduction, these two heavyweight meme coins will face off in a battle to defend the title of top meme coin on Rollercoin. All you need to do to support your coin is spread the hashtags Pepe SHIB in the socials, purchase RLT using your favorite coin, put it out there for your team and win prizes weekly. Every week the rules of the game will change to make it more fun, so you'll have many opportunities to win rewards for your activities. Here the schedule of the meme coin battle activity, blah 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 blah. So this is basically what they're going to be giving away. Most active users will have a chance to get an additional prize, which will reveal some time later. Blah 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 blah. So purchase RLT for SHIB or Pepe, receive one raffle ticket. La 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 la. This is what you're going to win. And then that's available. And then basically for the person that deposits the most, so the player who makes the most deposits by amount, so that's the largest amount deposited by any one player in of any of the meme coins during the event period, will receive the coolest reward ever, which is a scam miner, which gives you a massive 10% bonus. Now, what is my point on this? Well, like I say, when Chris Glennon made the point, well, you can't mine them, you can only deposit. And then the point of the deposit, as we've just read, is purely to purchase RLT. Now, you got to think that Rollercoin has a membership of in excess of, I think it's now 3 million members, right? Both SHIB and Pepe are very easy to mine and get your hands on. But my thinking is, are Rollercoin simply using their member base to farm these coins for them? Because we can't mine it, so we're not going to gain any SHIB. We're not going to gain any Pepe by putting Pepe or SHIB in here. The only thing we get is purchasing RLT and maybe some of the rewards. But you got to think, like I say, their member base is over 3 million members. If every member deposits, in excess of 1,000, or let's say they do 1,000 Pepe. Let's do each member does 1,000 Pepe. That's 3 billion Pepe that they've deposited. And because these coins are so easy to get hold of, any person is probably going to be depositing, especially as there are rewards at stake, and you got that 10% bonus scam miner up for grabs as well. People are going to be depositing huge amounts of these coins onto Rollercoin, and then simply spending them on RLT. But then what happens to all these coins? They go into Rollercoin's wallets. So should there be a second wind? Should there be a second run on Pepe or SHIB? These guys are literally going to have billions of these coins sat in wallets waiting to cash them in. And I'm just thinking, well, if it works the first time, who's to say that they're not going to run another competition like this, but with other coins, and essentially we then are farming coins for them. That's it. That is basically, for me, the premise of this. That is how I see it. Like I say, I could be completely wrong. Rollercoin might be looking to do something with these coins in the future, but I don't see how they will. And, are they just going to suddenly start giving them out? I just don't see, with the exception of the benefit to them, if, again, it does rely on these coins going up in price. But if you've got enough coins, the price does not have to shift that much to make a lot of money. So, like I say, I'm just wondering if that is the whole point of this competition. And like I say, competitions going forward could be very similar. And all I would say is, just keep watching these two coins. If these two coins suddenly shoot up, you got to start to wonder. If they suddenly go up, even if it's by, I don't know, let's say it goes up by 3%, or in the positive after this is over, or even during this is running. I would imagine they would probably try to cash them out as fast as possible. And if you keep an eye, if the price is going up, then I personally think that is what it's all about. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on what I believe is going on with this whole competition. I purely think it is a farming exercise, and we are the ones that they are using to farm coins for them. So I'm going to leave that there. Hope you found it informative, thought-provoking, whatever. If you've got any thoughts, stick them in the comments below the video. I'd love to hear what you think. Like I say, have I got it completely wrong? Or am I actually right on the nose? Just give us your thoughts. So anyway, like I say, I'm going to leave that there. If you can smash that like button, give us a big thumbs up. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.